Once you see one that feels truly handmade, you can't forget it. It stays in your mind. The softness, the little details, the way it moves. And today, you're going to see some of the most beautiful and adorable handmade crochet dress ideas that people rarely talk about. But once you see them, you start wishing you had one in your hands right now. If you've ever stopped for a moment because a crochet dress looked special in a quiet way, or if you've ever wondered how simple yarn can turn into something soft, warm, and full of personality, then stay right here. In this video, you'll see ideas that show the true beauty of handmade crochet. Not machine-made, not copied. Real pieces full of patience, heart, and care. By the end, you won't look at crochet dresses the same way again. Here's the problem. Most people think crochet dresses all look the same. They scroll online and see 1,000 designs that repeat the same look. And when they want something different, something that feels personal and special, they feel lost. They don't know where to begin. But the truth is, crochet is one of the few crafts where you can create something that nobody else in the world has. No two handmade dresses ever look exactly alike. The hands that make them tell their own story. Every stitch has a tiny difference. Every line has a bit of personality. And that's what makes crochet dresses so beautiful. But because people mostly see common designs, they miss out on the truly unique ideas. Dresses filled with small touches, dresses that look soft and adorable, dresses that carry hours of patient work, dresses that feel like memories, not just clothing. Today, we break away from the common. Today, you will see ideas that remind you why handmade things are special. There's a special kind of charm that comes only from something made by hand. A crochet dress holds that charm in every inch of it. When you look closely, you see tiny patterns forming naturally, each one placed with care. You can almost feel the time that went into it. You can imagine the hands moving slowly, stitch by stitch, building something soft and beautiful from nothing but yarn and patience. This is why crochet dresses stand out. They don't need loud designs to shine. They shine because they feel human. They feel personal. Even a simple dress can look adorable when it carries the mark of someone's effort. Some of the most beautiful ideas come from the smallest touches. A slight change in the pattern near the bottom, a soft line near the waist, a gentle curve at the neckline. Tiny details that don't look like much from far away, but up close, they make the dress look alive. They give it character. They make it feel like a piece of art, more than a piece of clothing. And because crochet is flexible, every dress moves differently. Some flow gently when you walk, some hold their shape with a soft firmness, some feel light and airy, while others feel warm and comforting. None of these things come from machines. They come from the hands that shaped them. One of the sweetest things about crochet dresses is how soft they appear even before you touch them. That natural handmade look makes them feel welcoming, a little cozy, a little cute, a little like something made just for you. When you wear a crochet dress, you don't just wear something pretty, you wear something meaningful. Imagine a dress that has a simple body but a handmade touch at the bottom edge. Something small, like a gentle wave or a tiny repeating shape. Even that tiny touch makes the whole dress look unique. It shows that someone thought about the little details. Someone put love into the smallest part of the design. Handmade dresses also have this way of looking gentle. Not sharp or harsh, not stiff, just soft. Soft to the eyes and soft to the heart. They feel natural, almost calming. You don't get that feeling from factory-made clothes. There's also something very adorable about dresses that have tiny raised areas or gentle dips in the pattern. These changes create a natural texture that your eyes instantly notice. It gives the dress depth. It makes it look more interesting the longer you stare at it. You find yourself following the pattern with your eyes, tracing the path of the maker's hands. Another beautiful idea is adding small handmade decorations. Not loud ones, just soft, tiny shapes worked into the dress. These details bring a delicate charm without making the dress too busy. They almost look like they're part of the dress's personality, not something forced. One of the best things about crochet dresses is the sense of warmth they give off, even when they're lightweight. There's something about the handmade texture that feels gentle and comforting. When a dress is made by hand, you can feel the intention behind it. You feel the time someone spent, and that makes the dress feel special before you even put it on. Imagine a dress that has a simple body, but a handmade touch at the bottom edge. Something small, like a gentle wave or a tiny repeating shape. Even that tiny touch makes the whole dress look unique. It shows that someone thought about the little details. Someone put love into the smallest part of the design. Handmade dresses also have this way of looking gentle. Not sharp or harsh, not stiff, just soft. Soft to the eyes and soft to the heart. They feel natural, almost calming. You don't get that feeling from factory-made clothes. There's also something very adorable about dresses that have tiny raised areas or gentle dips in the pattern. These changes create a natural texture that your eyes instantly notice. It gives the dress depth. It makes it look